Hi, Shannon Smith, just to go through a bit more on your Xero Cashbook for your personal budgeting purposes. So I'm just going to go through now, what do you do when you're wanting to maybe edit the chart of accounts? So the chart of accounts is a list of all of the accounts that you may allocate some of your expenses to. And over time, you may actually get quite game and wanting to start editing things. So how can you actually tailor that a bit more? We've put a template in there and we try and tweak it a bit, but you can tailor that a bit more. So go into your main dashboard, go to accounting and advanced. So you kind of feel quite advanced going in here. Go into chart of accounts. Okay. And from here, let me just get rid of my picture out of the way. And from here, you can actually search for the accounts. You can add a new bank account. If you add a bank account, and I won't go full process of it, but let's just say we're going to choose ANZ. We're adding a new ANZ bank account. There we go. And you've got, this is then tax account. Let's say you're going to create a new tax account. You can make up a code, an account type every day. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, hopefully that's that. And continue. So you're setting up that bank account, and then you're going to want to link that bank account, and you're going to want to actually, bank feeds are available. So I'll show you how we can work that one out. The other part on the chart of accounts is then you've also might want to change. So we've got different investment income here, investment property. 1 was called investment property 2, and I changed this for 3. Investment property 4, let's just edit that. And we might say, well, investment property 4 is actually Phillip Island, okay? And then you can actually, that might make it easier for you to find. So you've tailored, you'll have our investment properties down here. So you might go to investment property 4 and then start actually looking at this and going, okay, well, 4 is actually Phillip Island. And changing all of those if you'd like. You can add new accounts. So if you decide that you want to add another account, you might actually say, I want an account, and I go down here and it'll be probably in your expenses. So it's an expense, and you can look up a code number. I'm just going to have a look at one. We'll see if that's available. Okay, I'm going to just write 0.1 so I know it's available. And I'm going to say, I want a separate account for soccer. And it's always going to be BAS excluded and save. So you want a separate account so that you can tailor this to your requirements. So that's how you deal with the chart of accounts.